We all have desires to venture into new areas of interests which remain as desires only due to our busy lifestyle. But sometimes we come across something so strong, something so inspiring that pushes us to materialize our desire by performing the action. Hi guys, this is PP Ki Smoke and today we are going to review the 2019 release Section 375. I was browsing through Amazon Prime while I stumbled upon the movie Section 375. The movie is directed by Ajay Behel. Manish Gupta has written the story and screenplay, while Ajay Behel has written the dialogues as well. Richa Chadha and Akshay Khanna played the lead roles. I started watching it without much expectations as just another courtroom drama of a rape case. Within first 10 minutes, the flick was able to grab my attention and indulge me in a roller coaster ride of morality, emotions, greed, ambitions, and revenge. The movie is so relevant to the events happening in our society today, like the Me Too movement, rapes, and suffering of women in our country at home and at workplace, men falling victim to false accusations by women. It's Ajay Behel's second movie as a director, and he has done a tremendous job not just with direction but with dialogue writing also. You will not find over the top typical Bollywood dialogues in the movie, but very subtle and realistic conversations between characters. I will recommend this movie as one of the best courtroom drama of recent times in Bollywood. The settings, cinematography, and screenplay are all very realistic. The movie is a courtroom drama, but it unfolds as a mystery movie and has elements of suspense which will keep you engaged to see the movie till last scene. There are no songs in the film, which makes it more real and does not disconnect the viewer at any point once they get into the world of this drama. The movie is about a girl who gets raped by her boss. The girl and her family take the brave step to come out and file a case against the rapist. I will not give much details about the story as that can kill the interest. The victim's role is played by Meera Chopra, and with limited dialogues she has done a good job. Accused role is played by Rahul Bhatt, who has played the character with commitment. Rahul's last few outings as an actor show that he's trying hard to do some strong roles and good movies, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, which is fair enough looking at what garbage Bollywood is throwing on viewers. His last two movies which got him praise were Union Leader in 2017 and Ugly in 2013. One more character that I found outstanding in the film and was played with equal conviction was Justice Madgaonkar, played by Kishore Kadam. I have never been to court, but he made me convinced of how the real judge might be reacting during a hearing of such a crucial and high-profile case. I loved his performance. It is realistically portrayed in the movie how press can become a tool to spread a verdict even before the court has given the judgment. The mass is not concerned about the truth, but want the truth to be the one which is most predictable and portrayed by the press. Akshay Khanna rightly says in a scene that it does not matter what the court's judgment will be, but the accused has already been declared as the criminal in the court of press, court of Facebook, and court of Twitter. Richa Chadha plays the role of public prosecutor while Akshay Khanna plays the role of defense lawyer. There is no protagonist or antagonist as both know what they are doing is their job to achieve what they aspire. Both of them have done justice to the role. Both gave a very strong performance, and by strong I do not mean high-pitched dialogues, but a subtle performance and focus on using more of legal language in a common lawyer tone. None of the actors go over the top with their dialogue deliveries and manage to create an atmosphere of realism around their roles. Akshay Khanna is one of the gems we have, and he should be doing more movies like this. He has evolved into an actor from a hero. The movie will make you feel as if you are actually sitting in the court. After every hearing is done, you will feel the urge as a person to go to the court for the next hearing. The purpose of the movie is to show the reality of a rape case. The director has carefully shown the dark side of such an incident and suffering faced by both the side, be it accused or the victim. How the rape victim is questioned the same heart and morale breaking questions again and again, reminding her of the incident, is saddening. On the accused part, Akshay Khanna mentions to Rahul Bhatt's character once that in jail, rapists get same treatment for which they are serving the sentence. The film shows how, even after being one of the fastest developing country and being the largest democracy in the world, still our women are unsafe. Both the lawyers share facts and figures regarding the rape cases in our country and in the world, which I never cross verified, but the numbers they mentioned are horrifying. The movie is gripping and it is very well directed, scripted, and edited. Praveen Angre has done a tremendous job with editing the film. We do not feel disconnected at any point of time and the story moves with the flow. I will recommend this movie for everyone to watch and take away only the good aspect of it, that we should hold our morals high in the vulnerable times and stay strong. Today, as a global family, we all are fighting with a pandemic, and as a responsible citizen, we can play our fair part by following the government guidelines and helping those in need. Stay home, stay safe, and make sure that nobody sleeps empty stomach in your colony. This is PP Ki Smoke signing off till our next act. Thank you.